कॅफे बुलेट गोवा संघटनेन बुलेटीर गोय ते काश्मीर आणि परत कन्याकुमारी ते गोय असो 8000 किलोमीटर प्रवास केल्लो। ह्या प्रवासान सुमार 60 म्हापशेच्या बुलेट चलोवप्यांनी वांटो घेतिल्लो। आरडीएक्स गोवा खातीर म्हापशेच्यान सुशील शुक्ला।
And we have a club called Cafe Bullet Goa, and we are ridden from Goa to Kashmir and back here in Goa. And I had done on 2015. I had done Goa, Kashmir, Kanyakumari, and back to Goa. So now this year we had gone 15 of us riding from Goa to Chandigarh, from Chandigarh to Ladakh, Leh Ladakh, and we had taken like routes in like Pakistan border, India-Pakistan border. Then we had taken a route like China-India border, and so on. It was a very good experience to ride over there, and there were no roads at all. We loved those off-roading. There was a lot of slash, lot of snowfall, and things like this. I done around 8,000 kilometers this time. Some of them done like half of that because they are taken bikes in Chandigarh, and they ridden from Chandigarh and back Chandigarh. Message I could give for my all the riders who for the here like people here, they should at least go once to Himalayan and they see the Himalaya and come back. And of course they should not forget to see the borders. Our Indian armies are always there, just like saving us. Like we saw them over there, like fighting for us. That we saw eye to eye. They shown us some bunkers and things like this. But I say like everybody should go and see the Himalayas, the snow what we have in India, and whatever, like we have everything in India. Kind of snow we have a hailstone there. We have a storm, like a sandstorm. Whatever you get abroad, we have here.
आम्ही सगळे पळयले, स्नोफॉल पळयलो, पावस पळयलो, सँडस्टॉर्म पळयले आणि लँडस्लायडींग. अक्षरशः आमच्या फुडल्यान अशें फातर पडले बिकॉज ऑफ सागर 6:05 जाल्ली सांजची. आमकां रावपाक जागो नासलो, आमकां स्नोफॉल